Hindi ko di marunong. Turuan kita. Natitan si ate.
Kami yung makakasama nyo ngayon. So this is Coach Tai. May Coach na yung si Ateneo. This is Coach Luma, Coach Carlo, and Coach Paul. Coach Paul will be the one who will handle your warm-up and kami naman sa skills training ninyo. So today will be fun. So sana magsimulan na tayo, coaches, and ng warm-up with Coach Paul.